7 amazing cleaning hacks you never thought existed. Welcome to our FastKlean channel. Check out our videos. You'll surely find something useful for your day-to-day life. We've pulled together some of our best household cleaning tips and tricks to help you get a spotless home. With the coronavirus pandemic still threatening the health and well-being of individuals worldwide, people have been spending more time at home than usual. This makes the possibility of a dirty home even higher, stressing the need for cleanliness in your surroundings. However, just because you wish to keep your home clean does not mean you should spend all your time doing so. Our cleaning experts have come up with tips that will help you save time, money, and even your sanity, while still giving you the top-notch cleaning quality you desire. Good day, viewers, and welcome to this edition. As is our norm, we strive to give you the best when it comes to cleaning hacks and tips to make sure that you and your family stay as healthy as possible during these trying times. Have you subscribed to our channel? If not, what are you waiting for? Subscribing to our channel gives you unlimited access to all our related content. We also urge you to join our Facebook page by simply clicking the Join button. The benefit of joining our Facebook page is you will be privy to whatever information comes out from our channel. If you find this video helpful, please click the like and share buttons to help our algorithms and also help suggest related content. There are regular cleaning tips all over the internet and in the world today. However, some cleaning hacks are overlooked by even the most health-conscious individuals. In this video, we will be discussing a few, so stay tuned. You just might get a bonus point for your time. What are those cleaning hacks? Number 1. Try disinfecting your laptop or computer keyboards regularly with vinegar and a toothbrush. Since germs, viruses, bacteria, and other harmful toxins are almost invisible to the human eye, you may be surprised by how much of these toxins live on your laptop or computer keyboard. Studies have confirmed that different strains of harmful organisms are present on a lot of computer keyboards. Well, the interesting part is that cleaning and disinfecting your laptop is pretty simple. Just dip a toothbrush in a solution of vinegar and water. Use the brush to scrub between and on the keys to remove germs. Number 2. Try scrubbing any cast iron objects with potatoes. Yes, we know potatoes are meant to be eaten. But did you know that potatoes can do much more than that? Have you ever imagined that it can be used to clean cast iron materials? All you have to do is pour some coarse salt on the cast iron material and scrub with a potato sliced in half. Keep scrubbing until the mess has been cleared, and then rinse out with water. Number 3. Try using rhubarb to clean burnt-on mess. Do you have enough soap to clean? If no, simply go to your garden or your fridge and get some rhubarb, and you are good to go. Rhubarb has been found to take care of that caked-on stain. The process is simple. Just add a few sticks of rhubarb to some water and boil for about 5 minutes. Once you have cooled the water, wipe the pan with a sponge or dry cloth and watch the stain go away. Rhubarb contains some acids that react perfectly with the carbon content found in burnt foods. Once they are boiled together, a reaction that loosens the burned areas occurs, making them weak and easier to scrub away. Number 4. Use some lemon to freshen up your garbage disposal. You do not always need to rush down to a store to get some artificial air fresheners for your garbage smell, especially if your home produces a lot of garbage. Simply chop some fresh lemons and drop them in the drain. The lemon will give a fresh scent whenever the disposal is on. That way, you can save money and the environment at the same time. Number 5. Eliminate mildew spots with some vodka. Vodka can do more than make martinis for you. Yes, it can help you get rid of mildew anywhere in your bathroom. It is as effective as vinegar or caustic soda, so there is absolutely no need to worry if you do not have those. Simply mix some water and vodka in equal proportions and spray on the affected areas. You can leave it for some time to act. After about 10 minutes, wipe the spots away with a mop or clean cloth. The alcohol in the vodka kills the mildew and cleans up the mess. Number 6. Use Kool-Aid in place of artificial bleach. Instead of rushing to a store to get artificial bleach that is more expensive and is not healthy enough for the environment, is it not better to opt for Kool-Aid? Yes, it may be your favorite drink, but it can be used for much more than relaxation. Apply a generous quantity of Kool-Aid powder to your toilets and let the mixture sit for a while. After some time, brush the sides and just flush. Number 7. Scrub your bathtub with salt and grapefruit. Whenever you visit the supermarket, be sure to add extra grapefruit to your cart. Maybe not for eating, it can also be used for cleaning. This fruit is very effective against dirty bathtubs, sinks, and shower surfaces. Just chop some grapefruit and add some salt to it. The combination of abrasive salt and citric acid is sure to get rid of those stubborn stains. And for the bonus point, use wax paper to make sink fixtures gleam. The constant wear and tear on our sinks make them look a little dull and dirty even if they may have been thoroughly cleaned. After cleaning and disinfecting your sinks, you can use wax paper to polish their fixtures. The wax will help repel water and prevent any stains from sticking to the surfaces in the near future. We understand that these cleaning hacks may sound strange to you, but you should try them sometime. You will be glad you did. Enjoyed our content? Give us a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and subscribe for more of the same. Have questions or ideas? Want to ask us something? Drop us a line in the comments below. Also, we would like to invite you to join our virtual online master classes to learn more about keeping your home clean and tidy. Thank you for watching, and until next time, FastKlean, a greener and healthier future.